Now let's talk about the Amazon Mechanical Turk. Uh, so, so Amazon Mechanical Turk is a marketplace on which you can be you are going to be able to create some tasks and distribute them to actual humans. So you are going to get a distributed virtual workforce. Now your tasks have to be simple because the humans don't have any prerequisites of knowledge to do these tasks. So the task could be, for example, get me a phone number of a business, and you have 10,000 businesses to find the phone number of. It integrates with Amazon simple workflow natively, and it does not integrate with a step function. So this is the one thing that you remember going into the exam. So some example is if you have a list of 10,000 restaurant names in your area, and you want to get the telephone number, opening hours, address, etc., etc., and you consume that the restaurant name is not perfect, so someone wrote those names for you, and therefore using something like the Google Maps API cannot help you. So you are going to create a task on Mechanical Turk, and actual humans will fill your data base as you go, and they will get paid for every task that it performs. So other examples could be to do image classification. For example, it is a dog, is it a cat, or is it a goat? Data collection, or so this is the like the annotations kind of the, yeah, I have seen such of the task on the Mechanical Turk for the annotations, data annotation for the machine learning related stuff. Data collection, if you wanted to find data, for example, for my restaurant, this will be a data collection, or for business processing, if you have some tedious task that you need to process and a human has to do it, then Mechanical Turk can help you with that. And that's it, very simple service, and does integrate with simple workflow, but does not integrate uh, with the step functions. And yep, and that's it all, that's all you need to know. That's it, and I will see you in the next lecture.